Sometimes you have data you would like to show in one chart. However, the data does not really fit. You see, for example, in here we have for some years, 2000 to 2004, we have the turnover for a company and the number of employees who have worked in the companies. And these are, in the first place, data which is not really comparable. So turnover has a unit in million euros, for example, and employee is just a number. So what we have to do is actually to enter two different axes, one for the one line and the other for the other line. How to do? First, we simply create a line diagram, a line chart as we did before. Okay, so what you can see in here is, we have our turnover, the blue line, our employees is the red line. Now I choose my red line. I would like to make a secondary axis focusing on the employees. And if I double click on it, you see a menu pops up where I can choose a secondary axis. And if I do so, you see you have different values on the right side now. This is my secondary y-axis. It's a little bit tricky now to see which line belongs to where. So from my data, I know the blue line belongs to the left axis, the right one to the right axis, but we should have explanations, chart elements, namely axis title, which makes this more clear. And if I open this menu right again, you see I have now the possibility to add primary and secondary vertical axis. So I'll start with this primary vertical axis, which is on the left side. And again, I'll take the data by linking it to a cell, and I'll add a secondary axis, which is here, and use the data from here. And now it's quite easy to see employees is my red line, and I see the employees axis on the right side, turnover is blue, and turnover axis on the left side. Just to make it the picture complete, I will add the employees and turnover as the diagram title.